Well, hostage situation number 5, trying to protect kids. um, yeah. Anyway, Merry Christmas, all. Really gonna jump out of my skin in here again, so that makes all of my little um, yellow paint pants getting so happy. And I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. I pray for your kids every day. And I hope they have juice boxes because the last houses I knocked on, you got beer and cigarettes, and your kids had no juice boxes. But this is mainly to tell Evan, I unlocked one of those back doors and I'm gonna use it. And I love you, honey. And we'll just fight the good fight. Just keep fighting the good fight, baby. And Merry Christmas. I love you. Love you, love you, love you.